Hello everyone and welcome to Whimsy Creek Art. If you're new here, my name is Megan and welcome to the channel. Alright, today we are going to do a paint pour on a 14 by 14 inch canvas, and this is a Dogbone paint pour. So this is just a Dogbone I got from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to use a variety of lighter blues, a little bit of white, black, a little bit of gold. But I wanted to take a moment to kind of talk about the future of my channel and kind of YouTube burnout and a few things that have been kind of on my mind lately. So as you can tell, my channel hasn't been quite as active as it has been in the past. I have over 730 videos here on this channel. So I've been doing this for about 3.5 years, and I guess it's kind of a common thing for a content creator or a YouTube video creator to kind of have burnout every so often. And so I've kind of had that the last couple months. I just haven't been happy with my channel, and it's just kind of felt kind of stagnant. And the big difference is I haven't had like artistic burnout. I have had so many ideas and amazing ideas for art, but it gets to the point where you want to create videos, you want to do art, and you gotta videotape it if you're going to do art, and then I never get a chance to just paint to paint. And some of these creative ideas I just never get a chance to videotape, and so there's been kind of this battle in my head of wanting to create videos, and really I've got plenty of ideas. It's not a lack of ideas, it's just a lack of kind of confidence, if you will. I need to get a little bit more confident in not my art abilities, but my videoing, my editing. And so that's some of the things that I will be working on this channel here. And so there for a moment I even thought about just quitting the channel altogether. I wasn't real sure what I wanted to do, but after really thinking about it really hard, I think I'm just going to have less videos coming out from my channel, but we're just going to really concentrate on quality of videos a little bit more. And I'm going to just allow myself, the chance to practice some of the paintings and different techniques and just all kinds of different art that I want to do without having to always videotape it. I think that's a problem. I'm sure a lot of people can relate if you are a content creator, and especially if you're a content creator of art. You get into this kind of rhythm of, if you're going to be painting, you might as well be videotaping it. And then you never want to, practice new things because it might not be good enough for a video, but you want to make sure you catch it on video if it is amazing. So it's kind of an interesting catch-22. But all right, I think that's kind of the plan that I have come up with for this channel is I'm going to be having less videos come out, maybe 1, possibly 2 a week, but I'm going to really concentrate on the quality of those videos. So I have a lot of amazing ideas and plans coming up, but it'll be a little bit less of me, but hopefully some videos that will have a little bit better quality at the same time. And as for my live streams, I'm not real sure. I have not made up my mind. It's kind of funny because I go back and forth on what I want to do, because there for a few days I was going back and forth for if I just want to quit making videos altogether. But I really don't want to. I've made some amazing friendships on here, so I will miss doing live streams. So you never know, every so often I may pop in and do a live stream, but I am not gonna have any like scheduled weekly live streams anymore. I may just randomly do a live stream, but they won't be weekly live streams. And I will miss chatting with all you guys. I have made some amazing friendships on here. So that was the one thing that was making it kind of a little bit harder to make that decision. But I think just the best thing for me and my mental health and my physical health too, just to kind of work on the quality of the channel instead of quantity, and trying to put out so many videos, and just work on I'm gonna try to really study on editing and up my game with my editing, hopefully, and a few things like that. And we got some new techniques I'm gonna be trying, and I've got some new different paints and pouring mediums, and so there'll be some new reviews coming out, and just a whole variety of things on this channel, but probably only one, possibly two videos a week. But I'm going to concentrate on one really good video each week. I'm not sure what day yet, but at least one day a week we will have a video coming from the channel. And I will miss chatting with all you guys, but make sure to pop in the comments. I'm always here to answer a question. You can always email me. You can get a hold of me. I'm on pretty much all the other social media platforms, so you can get a hold of me pretty much anywhere, and I can answer questions. I answer questions in the comments, and I will try to pop in and do a live stream every so often, and I will try to be a little bit more active on maybe some other people's live streams, so hopefully maybe I'll get a chance to pop in and say hello on other people's live streams as well. So here's some close-ups of this pour, and I just actually loved how this pour turned out. Who knew a dog bone could turn out to create such beautiful striations, almost like stripes through it? So all right, I just wanted to give you guys a little update about what's going on with the channel, what's going on with me, and I really truly do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for hanging in there and still being around and listening to the end. So all right, I'll see you next week with another video, and it'll be a really good quality one. I'm really hoping so. So thank you so much. Have a good one.